Let me introduce myself. My name is Michael Quigley. I am the coordinator for all the freshman courses in geography, both junior fresh and senior fresh. In the junior fresh year, in the first year, we offer to science students, we offer 2 modules, one in each of the semesters. Each of them is worth 10 credits within the European Credit Transfer System, or ECTS as we call it. The first of the modules is called an Introduction to Geography, an Introduction to Physical Geography. It is 10 credits, as I said. Within the first of these modules, which is called GG1021, basically there are 5 themes that follow sequentially from one to the next. They involve about 8 lectures in each of these 5 kind of sub-modules, if you like. And the assessment for this course is at the end of the year, mostly, with a 3-hour examination, which is worth 80% of the overall assessment for the module, the other 20% being provided by some continuous assessment work, which is presented in the first term. The second module that is available to science students specifically is called Environmental Geography. And it looks at, if you like, the interface between the human and the physical environments, looking at some key concepts of nature and society and environmental disturbance. The assessment for this particular module is a little different. It's 70% based upon continuous assessment and 30% on an examination at the end of the year. In the second year, just very briefly, I don't want to go into it in any detail, but again, in the senior fresh or second year, there are 2 modules which are available to science students. I should say that in the junior fresh year, you can do either or both of the available modules. You must do at least one of them to get into geography in the second year. In the second year, there are 2 modules. The overall theme with both of them is change, right? Changing environments, one in the physical and the other in the human realm. Should you then wish to go on to proceed to a geography degree, in other words, doing just geography in the 3rd and 4th years, you must take both of those second year modules. And then in the softer years, there's quite a big menu of modules that are available. These are more advanced and more specialized as well, of course, and they tend to involve a little bit more of a field input as well. Indeed, our 3rd years just came back from a field trip in Spain on this weekend just past. One other thing I would mention is that there are opportunities within geography for students in the 3rd year, usually, to take a year or half year abroad in one of the selected universities with which we have links in Europe through the Socrates arrangements, or Erasmus as we generally call it. So we have a number of such links available to students to study abroad. Thank you very much for your attention.